Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about the P0098 trouble code. What are the cause, symptoms, solutions? The symptoms of the P0098 code is you're going to have a check engine light on, poor fuel economy, rough engine operation, and possible overheating issues. Now below is a description of each of the symptoms, so you can go ahead and pause and read that, but we're going to go ahead and move on here. Now, common cause of P0098 is a faulty IAT sensor. Now, a malfunctioning IAT sensor can send incorrect voltage signals, triggering the P0098 code due to inaccurate temperature readings. Now, you can have damaged wiring, short circuit, or excessive voltage, and even a PCM malfunction, which is pretty rare. However, it's never zero. Now, solutions to P0098 is replace faulty IAT sensor, repair, replace any wiring, check and replace fuses, and inspect and reprogram PCM. Now, next to each of these solutions is a description if you want to go ahead and read that, but that's pretty much it with P0098. It's going to be a very quick video. Hopefully this gives you a general insight of what may be wrong with your car. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and we'll see you all until next time.